it's Luna teacher. How are you today? Fine, thank you. Great. Cut the carrot. Cut, cut, 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 cut. Ouch! Cut, cut, cut the apple. Cut, cut, cut the apple. Cut, cut, cut the apple. Cut, 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 cut. Ouch! Cut, cut, cut the onion. Cut, cut, cut the onion. Cut, cut, cut the onion. Cut, 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 cut. Ouch! That hurt. Sit class. It's Luna teacher. Hello. Today we are going to learn some vocabularies from our storybook called That's right, Cooking with Friends. So, first, let's take a look at our words. Chopsticks. 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 I use chopsticks to eat kimchi. I use chopsticks to eat kimchi. Chopsticks. 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 Good job. Next, fork. 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 I use a fork to eat steak. I use a fork to eat steak. Fork. 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 Fork.
Something smells good.
Great! Our next word is knife. But this word, the letter K, it's silent. So we read it like this. Knife. Knife. The K is silent. So we start reading it from letter N. Knife. 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 Very good. I use a knife to cut food. I use a knife to cut food. Knife. 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 Very good. Cut. Cut.
Time to say goodbye now. Time to say goodbye now.
Cut. cut.
Will we
Cut,
try?
cut,
No,
cut.
we won't. Time to
Cut,
say goodbye
cut,
now.
cut.
Time to say
Cut,
goodbye
cut,
now.
cut.
Wear my helmet, ride my bike.
Cut the carrot, please.
Good night.
Cut the carrot, please. Cut.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Cut.
Something
Cut.
smells good.
Cut.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Very
Cooking
good.
In the kitchen.
Next one.
What is
Stove.
What is that? Cooking
Stove.
in the kitchen. Cooking in the
Stove.
kitchen. It's a
Stove.
It's so nice. Careful.
Stove. Stove. The stove is for
Helping in
cooking
the
the
kitchen.
beef.
Helping in the kitchen.
The
Can we help? Yes,
stove
we can.
is for
Helping in the
cooking
kitchen.
the beef.
Helping in the kitchen. Put
The
beef in the
stove
pot.
is for cooking the beef. Stove. Stove.
Passing me the chopsticks.
St-
Passing me the
stove.
chopsticks.
St-
Help
st-
yourself.
stove.
Here you go.
Very good.
Passing me the chopsticks.
Next one.
Passing me the chopsticks. When we're done.
Sponge.
Time for fun.
Sponge.
Yippee!
Sponge. Sponge.
Time to say goodbye now. Time to say goodbye now.
Sponge.
Will we try?
The sponge it's for cleaning the dishes.
Time to say goodbye
The
now. Wear my helmet.
sponge
Ride
is
my
for
bike.
cleaning the dishes.
Good night.
The sponge is for cleaning the dishes. Sponge.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Sponge.
Something smells good.
Sponge.
Cooking in the
Sponge.
kitchen. Cooking in the
Very
kitchen.
good.
What is
Next
that?
one.
What is that?
Spoon.
Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the
Spoon.
kitchen. It's a spoon.
Spoon.
It's so nice. Careful.
Spoon. Spoon. Spoon.
Helping in the
I
kitchen.
use a
Helping in the
spoon
kitchen.
to eat
Can we
soup.
help? Yes, we can.
I use a
Helping in the kitchen. Helping in
spoon
the kitchen.
to eat
Put
soup.
the beef in
I
the
use
pot.
a spoon to eat soup. Spoon.
Passing me the chopsticks.
spoon.
Passing me the chopsticks.
spoon.
Help yourself. Here you go.
Spoon.
Passing me the chopsticks.
spoon.
Passing me the chopsticks. When
Good
we're
job.
done,
And the
time
last
for
word.
fun. Let's go.
Sink. Sink.
Time to say goodbye now. Time to say goodbye now. Will we try?
Sink.
No, we won't.
The
Time
sink
to say
is
goodbye
for
now. Time to
washing
say
the
goodbye
dishes.
now. Wear my helmet.
The
Ride my bike.
sink is for washing the dishes. The sink is for washing the dishes.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Sink.
Something
Sink.
smells good. Cooking in the kitchen. Cooking in the
Sink.
kitchen. What
Very
is this?
good.
What is that?
Now, let's go through all these words one more time. Let's go. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. Chopsticks.
Helping in the kitchen.
Chopsticks.
Helping in the kitchen. Can we
Fork.
help? Yes, we can.
Fork.
Helping in the kitchen. Helping in
fork.
the kitchen.
Fork.
In the pot. Yummy.
Great.
Delicious.
Knife. 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 Very good. Cut. 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 Very good. Stove. 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 Very good. Sponge. 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 Spoon. 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 Spoon.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Sink.
Something smells good.
Sink.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Sink.
Cooking in the kitchen.
Sink.
What is there?
Good job, Seed Class. Wonderful.
Cooking in the kitchen.
And now it's time for our goodbye song. It's still the same.
Careful.
Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. What can it make? What can it make? Left hand rock, right hand rock. Take a bow, take a bow. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. What can it make? What can it make? Left hand scissors, right hand scissors. Peekaboo, I see you. Rock, scissors, paper. Rock, scissors, paper. What can it make? What can it make? Left hand paper, right hand paper. Goodbye, goodbye. See you next time, everybody. Bye bye. Bye bye.